from the Soviet huge cargo flight.
Gotcha. Approach good evening, Dynasty 592, flight level 200.
Dynasty 592 Kaohsiung approach, flight into the zero radar vector for holding due to departure traffic and the runway after departure collision after a departure from runway 27, a huge cargo flight. The runway will be suspended in about 10 minutes, so expect radar vector for holding.
Roger. Confirm heading 220, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 592 able, maintain heading 220, radar vector for holding, practical maintain minimum forward speed.
Heading 220, minimum speed, Dynasty 592.
Airbus 705 now, 1 mile to the airdrop, contact Kaohsiung Tower, 118.7.
1.7, about 705, good night, sir.
Dynasty 592, leading flight level 200, descend flight level 140, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 592, roger that, and we have information Juliet, not correct.
Roger, Dynasty 592.
250 and the Dynasty 592, the departure cargo flight will be depart from runway 27 at 15, time now 06, and after that, the runway will be suspended in about 5 minutes.
Dynasty 592, copy.
这个 450 unable, the flight operation station will check the runway, see if there is any obstacle on the runway.
Yeah, but we can.
Roger that. Checking for 450 unable because the huge cargo flight taxis slowly and he is waiting for about 1-2 minutes. Checking for 450 expect inbound currents 20, time now 08. Dynasty 592 expect inbound currents 23, time now 08.
Copy, Dynasty 592.
450, descend and maintain 4000. 50, maintain 4000, hold waste of kissing as published. Expect inbound currents 20, time now 12.
Okay, we're going to hold inbound on the course to Kitchen on the 09 Islands Dragon 450.
Dynasty 592, descend and maintain 10,000.
Descend maintain 10,000, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 592 now proceed direct to Kissing, hold waste of Kissing as published. Expect further currents 23, time now 14.
Direct kissing, hold kissing, publish EFC 23, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 592, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend maintain 8,000, Dynasty 592.
Chicken 450, descend and maintain 3,000 and revise EFC 22, time now 16.
Send 3 to F Dragon 450. Titan taking off.
Expect 18.
The aircraft type.
Standby. Alpha 124.
Okay.
He is on the runway, starting to to rolling. Dynasty 592, revise EFC 125, time now 17.
Revise EFC 5, Dynasty 592.
Second 450, entering the second entry now. Can we extend outbound?
Chicken 450, confirm extending the holding kitchen.
Negative, we're just doing sector entry, so we'd like to maintain heading 270.
Chicken 450, approve.
Approach Dynasty 584, descending flight level 140.
Good evening, Dynasty 584, Kaohsiung approach, proceed to Xigang and maintain flight level 140. Approach sequence will be number 2. Information Juliet.
Okay, direct Sigan, flight level 140, copy number 2 for the approach, Dynasty 584.
Dynasty 584, correction sequence will be number 3 and number 1 and number 2 is holding at kissing.
Confirm they are holding at Kizin.
Dynasty 584, affirmative, expect radar data, expect hold at kissing. You are number 3 in approach sequence.
Okay, what is the reason for the holding?
Runway is occupied by aircraft type Alpha 124, still waiting for departure from runway 27.
Roger, and how long is the delay expected for Dynasty 584?
Relay from tower information, the departure time should be 18, but 10 now 19, the aircraft still on the runway.
Roger, copy. Dynasty 584, we're reducing our speed to minimum speed.
Sorry, Dynasty 584, say again?
We are reducing our speed to minimum speed.
Dynasty 584 maintain normal speed, expect radar data for approach. The departure traffic rolling now.
Okay, roger, normal speeds, Dynasty 584.
Dynasty 592, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 584, descend and maintain 8,000, Kaohsiung information Juliet, QNH 1015.
Eastern 8000, QNH 1015, Dynasty 584.
Kaohsiung approach, good evening, Volga 2538, heavy airborne passing 1500, Susan 1 Hotel, departure.
Hotel 2538, Kaohsiung post radar, contact climb maintain flight level 200, and turn left direct to Hengchun, resume on navigation.
Climbing flight level 200, left turn direct, Hotel Charlie November, confirm please, Volga 2538.
FN for Victor Delta Alpha 2538.
Left turn direct to Hotel Charlie November, climbing flight level 200, Volga 2538.
Volga 2538 heavy and climb maintain flight level 200.
Climbing flight level 200, Volga 2538.
Dynasty 582, say heading.
Heading 220, Dynasty 584.
Negative, I'm calling Dynasty 592.
We are during the holding on Kizin, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 592, now maintain heading 270, maintain 6,000, radar vector for approach.
Heading 270, radar vector, descend 6,000, Dynasty 592.
Dragon 450, approaching Kizin inbound.
Dragon 450, the flight operation inspector, the flight operation station is on the runway. Runway is clear on 24, 10 now 22.
Okay, can we continue the approach then? Dragon 450 from Kizin.
Dragon 450, Roger, cancel push currents, now continue approach.
Okay, continue approach, ILS 09, confirm, Dragon 450.
Dragon 450, air the fly inbound localizer, maintain 3,000, critical maintain minimum forward speed.
Okay, we'll slow to approach, mate, Dragon 450.
Dynasty 592, descend and maintain 3,000, turn right, heading 070 into intercept localizer.
Tower heading 070, descend maintain 3,000, intercept localizer, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 584, fly heading 220, radar vector for ILS approach, descend and maintain 3,000, Kaohsiung QNH again 1015.
Heading 220, descends 3000, 1015 for radar vectors, Dynasty 584.
Kaohsiung approach, good evening, Curry 2297, descend maintain flight level 140.
Curry 2297, Kaohsiung approach, fly heading 220, radar vector for ILS approach, runway 09, number 4 in approach sequence, maintain flight level 140.
Fly heading 220, fly 09er, fly heading 1, descend maintain flight level 140, Curry 2297. Down 09 Island.
Dragon 450, roger that. Expect approach currents in 3 miles. Dynasty Kaohsiung Dragon 450, position over Kizin, now clear ILS approach runway 09 and contact Kaohsiung Tower 118.7.
Cleared Island 09118, have a good day, Dragon 450.
Thanks a lot for cooperation. Dynasty 592, descend and maintain 3,000 and clear ILS runway 09 approach.
Descend maintain 3000, clear air runway 09 approach, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 592 and resume normal speed.
Normal speed, Dynasty 592.
Dynasty 584, proceed direct to Kijin, re-clear to descend and maintain 5000.
Direct Kizin, descent 5000, Dynasty 584.
Victor Delta Alpha 2538 Heavy, now contact tapping control 127.9.
7.9. Good night, thank you.
Welcome, sir. Gory 2297, descend and maintain 8000, 高雄 QH 1015.
Descend maintain 8000, QH 1015, Gory 2297.
Dynasty 592, 出收 mount to the airdrop, contact 高雄 Tower 118.7.
92, good night, 辛苦了。
下官辛苦你了。